The article discusses a unique luxury taxi created by Clive Sutton, offering a discreet and opulent experience for the super-rich. The taxi is based on the LEVC, London Electric Vehicle Company taxi, but features a Bentley or Rolls-Royce-like interior, with elements sourced from these luxury brands. The exterior of the taxi maintains the appearance of a regular LEVC taxi, providing a stealthy option for individuals seeking an inconspicuous yet lavish transport solution. The interior is described as a private jet for the road, with materials from Bentley and Rolls-Royce contributing to its luxurious ambiance. The driving experience is likened to a typical taxi, retaining the commanding view of the road, Volvo-based infotainment, and other standard features. The rear seats, covered in Bentley-sourced leather, offer a comfortable and spacious ride. The taxi is powered by the standard LEVC taxi's 110 kilowatt electric motor, with a petrol motor providing additional range once the electric range is depleted. The focus on the backseat experience reveals a host of luxury features, including an intercom to communicate with the driver, electrically adjustable seats, and various buttons for convenience. The rear cabin boasts buttery leather chairs, ample leg room, an intercom system, and an exquisite door-closing mechanism borrowed from a Rolls-Royce Ghost. The backseat also features a range of buttons for controlling lights, opening-closing a fabric blind on the panoramic roof, and even a 3-pin plug. Notably, the taxi includes a 20-inch television set up for Apple TV, along with ambient lighting control and the option to connect a games console. The article notes the high cost of the VIP taxi, starting at £104,680, with optional packages and features available at additional costs. While acknowledging that it might not be the most practical or cost-effective choice, the VIP taxi is considered a unique and enjoyable option for individuals looking for novelty and luxury in their transportation.